Are you searching for the best laser controller? In this video, we will look at the 5 best laser controllers, which save you time and money. Number 1. Ruida controller for CO2 laser engraving cutting machine. Power supply. The power supply is powered by a USB cable, which can be connected to any computer or laptop manufacturer. We are a manufacturer of high-quality laser engraving machines, which are made in the USA, easy to use. The Ruida controller is easy to use, just plug it into your computer and start using it. Multiple purpose. The Ruida controller can be used for cutting, carving, engraving, and more. It is very suitable for use at home, office, school, etc. Excellent quality. This Ruida controller is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which is durable and has a long service life.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. Cloudray CO2 Laser Controller Panel. Cloudray CO2 Laser Controller Panel for Ruida RDC6445G, RDC6442S, RDC6432G, RDC6332G, MRDLC320 is CNC laser cutting machine display.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. Cloudray Ruida RDC6442G CO2 Laser DSP Controller. Support standalone operation and U-disk processing. Support offline modification of file attributes, manufacturer and user parameters. Support working hours preview, accurate to millisecond, real-time display the processing path, coordinate point and progress bar, automatic focusing by panel. Support manual and automatic focusing. Support manual input or automatic acquire the coordinate of docking point. Abundant external auxiliary. Accessories are optional. Extended interface for external devices convenient to customize demand.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. Hunst-CNC Control Motherboard System for Laser Cutting Machine. Hunst-CNC Control Motherboard System for Laser Cutting Machine. Controller board Trocen, CO2.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. Trocen Upgraded Ruida Board CNC Control System, CO2 Laser Controller, brand, Trocen, model, AWC7813, Trocen AWC7813 Upgraded AWC708S Replace Ruida Board CNC Control System Cutting Machine Spare Parts CO2 Laser Controller Card.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.